everybody, welcome to the Todg Garage. It's Wyatt here. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Today is a special video because today I am getting myself prepared to go on another trip to Connecticut. You guys saw in the last video, in the second road trip video, I'll leave a banner above, that I am coming back a little bit after Labor Day, the same week. So I am super excited to be coming back up there. Hopefully you guys are around, and if anybody wants to hang out, let me know. But right now, I'm getting myself prepared for the HRV. The HRV is going to get its first maintenance. I'm going to do it here. It looks really good right now. It needs to be cleaned too, but I'm going to get it prepared. I need to do an oil change. It's first oil change as I owned it. I'm also going to do a tire rotation as well. So right now I'm not doing that right this moment, but I am going to show you guys what I got from before. So hold on and give me a second. All right, everybody, so I'm in the back of the trunk of the HRV. From the last trip, I got some of my old tools. You can see here, I got the jack stands. I got my creeper, the Matco creeper. I haven't had this stuff in over 3 years because it was in my mom's basement. So you also see my 3.5 pound jack from Matco. And back there is the handle. That's the double handle right there. Try to keep it protected on the road trip back, but just want to show you guys that I did bring my tools, some of my bigger tools that couldn't fit on my original road trip down here almost 3.5 years ago. So I want to be able to do stuff and work on cars, so I brought it down here with me, and now I'm going to be able to work on the HRV for the first time. So let's go ahead and take a little road trip. You see how beautiful it is out here in Florida. It's really gorgeous. We're going to take a little trip. I got to grab some things to make sure that the HRV is in proper condition to make this trip again. Yeah, oil change is definitely going to happen. That'll be another video. This is not going to happen in this one, but I'm just doing kind of like a vlog style, see what's going on out here in the beautiful state of Florida. You can see the weather is gorgeous. So let's go ahead and go on a little trip. Let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, you guys, so we're on the way to Honda first because I want to get an OEM oil filter for the HRV. I don't want to use like a Fram or anything from AutoZone. I want to use the actual OEM filter. This car is a 2023, so I want to keep it up and running well. So that's our first pit stop. So let's go ahead and drive over to Honda. It is Saturday, and it is Labor Day weekend, so I'm hoping that, you know, the parts department is still open. It should be. It is. We're in Florida. A lot of things are open down here, even on Sunday for shops. It's a little bit different than back in Connecticut. So let's go ahead and drive over to Honda and grab an oil filter so that I'm prepared, because tomorrow I'm more than likely going to do the oil change and get it all set and done. So let's go ahead and drive to Honda. Closest one is Ocean Honda. Let's go ahead and start that travel.
Starting route to Ocean Honda.
All right, you guys,
Turn right.
we have made it. Going in the Honda now. Welcome to the dealership. Wonder if there's anything cool here.
Your destination.
You can see we arrived at Ocean Honda. But I wonder if there's anything cool out here, guys. We never know. Never know. Maybe a Type R, SI, something. So let's go ahead and take a look. Maybe we'll see something while we're here. All right, you guys, so we have arrived at Honda now. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Maybe there's something cool in there. But I'm about to go get an oil filter. That's my main goal here because I want an OEM filter. So let's go ahead and run in there and see what's going on. Hey, wait a minute. What is that back there? Hold on before we go in, guys. Hold on. Look it, guys. It's the all-new Honda Prologue. This is really cool to see in person. There's a white one and also a red one here. Remember, I am at Ocean Honda. Wow. It is really big. You guys, like, it's hard to tell from pictures how big it really is. I think it's like an HRV size, but it's actually longer than it. right, you guys, got my bag from Honda here. Pretty cool bag. And I'm about to go ahead and head back home, coming across the building right here. But I just wanted to grab this. I need to go to AutoZone as well. So I'm not quite going back home yet, but just follow along for the ride. It's been pretty good so far today. It's a beautiful day here in Florida, like I was saying. So I just got to go to AutoZone. I'm going to grab some Valvoline oil because I love Valvoline. I'm not sponsored by Valvoline or anything, but I do love it. It is really, really phenomenal oil, and maybe one day get sponsored by Valvoline. You guys want to see what I got real quick? Hold on. Here's the oil filter I got. Same old Honda filter that's been around forever, and they still use it on their new vehicles today. Tried and true. Comes with a washer for the drain plug gasket, so I got that. And I got one other little thing because I love vanilla aroma, and $4.95 is not too bad for this bottle, so I just snagged it while I was here. But yeah, vanilla aroma. Got a spray bottle now. Keep the car fresh. Keep it fresh, guys. Keep it fresh. There's some of the new Civics. You kind of can see the new nose, and there's the old nose on the white one. The darker colors, that silver one right there has the new nose. It kind of sticks out more, which looks kind of like how those new EVs look that Honda is showing the prototypes for. So I guess that's the design language going forward. It's kind of like sticks out. Kind of interesting. What do you guys think? Wow, AutoZone is pretty close to this Honda dealership. Let's just go ahead and jump. Let's jump right on over there.
Starting with AutoZone.
It is literally a third of a mile from here. That's crazy. So that's a quick little jump across. Let's go ahead and do it. But yeah, man, this is, I mean, beautiful. Florida is gorgeous today. The humidity is down. It is just a gorgeous, gorgeous day. it has some overcast.
Turn right. Then the destination is on
it
your
feels
right.
good. I wish I was doing the oil change today, but I'm just taking a break. Tomorrow will be a new day. But what do we have here on the way to AutoZone for Eric? That is an 86 before it was the GR 86. That is so cool. Listen to that engine rumble real quick. Yes, we probably just went by AutoZone, but gotta get the shots in, guys. Gotta get the shots in. Look at that. All right, so had to make a little detour. Wanted to shoot that 86, especially for Eric. It was stanced out. It's pretty cool. Nice rumble to it. Hopefully you guys can pick it up with the audio. I am just using an iPhone, you know, so, but not like that Subaru Boxer engine. No, that it is a Toyota on that version. That car literally went through a bunch of names. It went from Scion FRS and the Subaru BRZ simultaneously. Then Scion got knocked off and killed off, which I'm still sad about because I've owned two Scions. You guys probably know about the TC. I also had an IQ, which probably not many people have even seen before, but I did have one, and it was cooler than you think. The smart car rival. Yeah, I had one. It was orange, of course. It's the orange one, so orange and garage, orange. I've had a few orange vehicles in my time already. Probably more than most, but I'm just gonna head back over to AutoZone. I went by it like a mile. Let's go ahead and grab this Valvoline oil because I love it. Valvoline in the future, would be cool to have you as a sponsor because I just know a lot of us automotive YouTubers, we love that oil. So, and some are sponsored. So let's go ahead and run into AutoZone and we'll see how it goes. See how expensive that Valvoline is.
At Old Ridge Road.
All right, pulling up to AutoZone. It's in the zone, like they used to say back in the day. I don't know if they have those commercials anymore, but let's go ahead and run in there. Whoa. Let's go ahead and take a look down through here. Not sure if I need anything else, but we are in AutoZone now. Walking towards the oil. Let's see, where is that greatest Valvoline? There she is. There she is. Valvoline, full synthetic. Oh, they had a deal. Oil in the filter right now. But That's the oil that it takes. It takes 0.20 for the HRV, so I'm just gonna grab this one. It's a pretty good price for 5 quarts. HRV doesn't take that much, it takes a little over 4, so grab this. Got that greatest Valvoline oil. Let's go ahead and wring it out. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Also gonna need a little oil pan too, because I don't have one anymore. So that's an 8 quart. Don't really need one that big, but this might have to do. So it's like the smallest one they have. Let's go ahead and grab this. All right, y'all, so these are the purchases today. I got the oil filter from Honda and the drain plug gasket. Got some brake cleaner, some Valvoline Advanced Oil 0.20 for the HRV. I got some Little Trees vanilla aroma scent because I'm gonna clean the car afterwards, and an oil pan to drain all the oil into. So let's go ahead and head home, but thank you guys for staying tuned. Hey everybody, it's Wyatt here again. Thank you guys for following with me. I just want to show you, come along, see what we saw at Honda, see if there's anything cool. Just hope you guys like the little shots that I took, but I just finished off at AutoZone. I have all the stuff that I need to complete the oil change for the HRV, so that'll be in the next video that I record. So hopefully tomorrow on Sunday, the day before Labor Day, I get that done. Should be able to get that done with no problem. But make sure you guys stay tuned. Check out the 2 videos for part 1 for the road trip, which was from Florida to Connecticut, and then part 2 from Connecticut down to Florida. I'll leave some banners above if you guys want to check it out. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. There's so much that's coming out. So many cool videos are about to start popping up. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned because a lot more to come. And like always here at the Orange Den Garage, what do we do here? We envision our dreams. See you guys soon in Connecticut. Later.
It's not a game, it's a